The word either means one or the other of two options. It is used when you want to talk about a choice between two things. For example, you could say either coffee or tea. When you use either, you are saying one option can be chosen, but not both. Either means one or the other of two choices. You can use it to show a simple choice, like when you say, you can sit on either side. Or you can pair either with or, as in either you come with us or you stay here. This shows two alternatives for your listener. When you use either with or, you present two options and show that you must choose one. The sentence parts after either and or should match in form. For example, you can say either stay here or come with us. This keeps your sentence clear and correct. Always remember that either is used for singular things. For example, you say either book is good, not either books are good. Use either with or to show two choices only. It is not for more than two options. Also, do not put a comma before or in short choices. Here are some examples to help you understand. You can either call me or send a text. We can go to the park either today or tomorrow. Either answer works for me. These show how either and or are used in everyday sentences. Try this exercise. Fill in the blanks. You can blank go to the park blank stay home. The correct words to complete the sentence are either and or. This practice helps you learn how to use either and or correctly. Here is another exercise. Fill in the blank. I do not like coffee. I do not like tea blank. The correct word to complete this sentence is either. This example shows how either can be used to agree with a negative sentence without confusion. Now, the last exercise is to fill in. She can blank read blank write well. The correct words are neither and nor. These words are different from either and or because they show that both options are not true. Use them carefully to show negation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.